तुझे ना देखूं तो चैन मुझे आता नहीं है, एक तेरे सिवा कोई और मुझे भाता नहीं है। तुझे ना देखूं तो चैन मुझे आता नहीं है, एक तेरे सिवा कोई और मुझे भाता नहीं है। कहीं मुझे प्यार हुआ तो नहीं है, कहीं मुझे प्यार हुआ तो नहीं है।
दिल हो के जुदा तुझसे रह पाता नहीं है, कोई भी मेरे दिल को समझाता नहीं है। कहीं मुझे प्यार हुआ तो नहीं है, कहीं मुझे प्यार हुआ तो नहीं है।
तुझे ना देखूं तो चैन मुझे आता नहीं है, एक तेरे सिवा कोई और मुझे भाता नहीं है। नहीं ये मेरे दिन अच्छी ना लगे ये दुनिया तेरे बिन।
मीठी मीठी ठंडी ठंडी आहें भरूं, बैठे बैठे तेरा इंतजार करूं, इंतजार करूं। ऐसे में कोई मुझको बहलाता नहीं है, ऐसे में कोई मुझको बहलाता नहीं है। तुझे ना देखूं तो चैन मुझे आता नहीं है, कहीं मुझे प्यार हुआ तो नहीं है, कहीं मुझे प्यार हुआ तो नहीं है।
तुझे ना देखूं तो चैन मुझे आता नहीं है, एक तेरे सिवा कोई और मुझे भाता नहीं है। तेरा ही ख्याल रहे, दर्द सताए बुरा हाल रहे।
ऐसा पहले तो कभी भी ना हुआ, कैसे तूने मेरी धड़कन को छुआ।
पल पल दिल बेकरार रहे, मुझे बस तेरा इंतजार रहे, इंतजार रहे। उलझन ये मेरी कोई सुलझाता नहीं है, उलझन ये मेरी कोई सुलझाता नहीं है, एक तेरे सिवा कोई और मुझे भाता नहीं है। कहीं मुझे प्यार हुआ तो नहीं है, कहीं मुझे प्यार हुआ तो नहीं है।
दिल होके जुदा तुझसे रह पाता नहीं है, कोई भी मेरे दिल को समझाता नहीं है। कहीं मुझे प्यार हुआ तो नहीं है, कहीं मुझे प्यार हुआ तो नहीं है।
कहीं मुझे प्यार हुआ तो नहीं है,
कहीं मुझे प्यार हुआ तो नहीं है।
सांसों का चलना, दिल का मचलना, सांसों का चलना, दिल का मचलना, जिसकी बदौलत है तेरी मोहब्बत है, हो तेरी मोहब्बत है।
ख्वाबों में आना आके सताना, ख्वाबों में आना आके सताना, जिसकी शरारत है तेरी मोहब्बत है, ओ तेरी मोहब्बत है।
सांसों का चलना, दिल का मचलना, सांसों का चलना, दिल का मचलना, जिसकी बदौलत है तेरी मोहब्बत है, तेरी मोहब्बत है। तेरे जैसा नहीं कोई, नहीं कोई मेरी जाने वफा, तेरा हंसना, तेरा चलना, नहीं देखी मैंने ऐसी अदा। तेरे जैसा नहीं कोई, नहीं कोई मेरी जाने वफा, तेरा हंसना, तेरा चलना, नहीं देखी मैंने ऐसी अदा। ये खुशबू, ये आंखें, ये चेहरा, तू लगती है कम सिम परी। मैं होता अगर कोई शायर, तो करता कोई शायरी। गेसों गिराना, दामन में आना, गेसों गिराना, दामन में आना, किसकी इनायत है तेरी मोहब्बत है, हो तेरी मोहब्बत है।
ख्वाबों में आना आके सताना, ख्वाबों में आना आके सताना, जिसकी
सांसों का चलना, दिल का मचलना, सांसों का चलना, दिल का मचलना, जिसकी बदौलत है तेरी मोहब्बत है, हो तेरी मोहब्बत है।
ख्वाबों में आना, आके सताना, ख्वाबों में आना, आके सताना, जिसकी शरारत है तेरी मोहब्बत है, ओ तेरी मोहब्बत है।
सांसों का चलना, दिल का मचलना,
ख्वाबों में आना, आके सताना,
जिसकी बदौलत है
तेरी मोहब्बत है, ओ
तेरी मोहब्बत है।
कितने दिनों के बाद मिले हो, जरा बताओ मुझे सनम, कितने दिनों के बाद मिले हो, जरा बताओ मुझे सनम, इतने दिन तुम कहाँ रहे, इतने दिन तुम कहाँ रहे।
कितने दिनों के बाद मिले हो, पूछ रहा है ये मौसम। कितने दिनों के बाद मिले हो, पूछ रहा है ये मौसम। इतने दिन तुम कहाँ रहे, हाँ इतने दिन तुम कहाँ रहे। एक दिन भी ऐसा न गया मैंने तुझे याद ना किया हो। हाँ एक दिन भी ऐसा न गया मैंने तुझे याद ना किया हो। एक पल भी ऐसा न रहा मैंने तेरा दर्द ना लिया हो। जाने मन अब मुझसे दूर ना जाना।
कितने दिनों के बाद मिले हो, जरा बताओ मुझे सनम, मेरी तो सुबह और शाम तेरे इंतजार में कटी है। मेरी तो सुबह और शाम तेरे इंतजार में कटी है। तन्हा जुदाई की घड़ी तेरे हंसी प्यार में कटी है। साथिया फिर मुझे यूं ना तड़पाना।
कितने दिनों के बाद मिले हो, पूछ रहा है ये मौसम।
कितने दिनों के बाद मिले हो, जरा बताओ मुझे सनम।
इतने दिन तुम कहाँ रहे,
इतने दिन तुम कहाँ रहे।
हाँ हाँ हाँ, इतने दिन तुम कहाँ रहे।
इतने दिन तुम कहाँ रहे।
हाँ, इतने दिन तुम कहाँ रहे।
इतने दिन तुम कहाँ रहे। किसी दिन बनूंगी मैं राजा की रानी।
जरा फिर से कहना,
किसी दिन बनूंगी मैं राजा की रानी।
जरा फिर से कहना।
बड़ी दिलरुबा है ये सारी कहानी।
जरा फिर से कहना।
अभी तो मिले हो, अभी तुम ना जाना कि दिल बन गया है तुम्हारा दीवाना।
हो जरा फिर से कहना।
किसी दिन बनूंगी मैं राजा की रानी।
जरा फिर से कहना। छीन जान जा, तू मेरी जान है।
तारीफ न करे तेरी मैं होश गवा बैठूं, ऐसा न हो चाहत में दुनिया को भुला बैठूं।
जरा फिर से कहना,
किसी दिन बनूंगी मैं राजा की रानी।
जरा फिर से कहना, बड़ी दिलरुबा है ये सारी कहानी।
जरा फिर से कहना, अभी तो मिले हो, अभी तुम ना जाना कि दिल बन गया है तुम्हारा दीवाना।
हो जरा फिर से कहना, किसी दिन बनेगी तू राजा की रानी।
जरा फिर से कहना, बड़ी दिलरुबा है ये सारी कहानी।
जरा फिर से कहना, ला 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 ला।
जरा फिर से कहना, ला 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 ला।
जरा फिर से कहना,
मैंने रख ली जान हथेली पे,
मैं सदके प्रेम पहेली पे।
मुझको नहीं जीना मरना है।
जल्दी कर लो जो करना है,
मुझे दरिया बिच डूब जाने दो।
ठहरो तूफान तो आने दो।
ओ मेरी जान, ओ मेरी जान, मेरी जान। मेरे सीने में तेरा दिल धड़के, तेरे सीने में मेरा दिल। मेरे सीने में तेरा दिल धड़के, तेरे सीने में मेरा दिल। अलग अलग अब जीना है मुश्किल, मरना है आसान। मेरे सीने में तेरा दिल धड़के, तेरे सीने में मेरा दिल। अलग अलग अब जीना है मुश्किल, मरना है आसान। जान, मेरी जान, ओ मेरी जान, मेरी जान।
चुप रह के खामोशी से मैंने तुझे पुकारा भी। चुप रह के खामोशी से मैंने तुझे पुकारा भी। कभी कभी इन आँखों से मैंने किया इशारा भी।
तेरे इशारे मैं नहीं समझी, मैं कैसी नादान। जान, ओ मेरी जान,
देख के अब लोग मुझे पहचानेंगे।
मैं तेरी पहचान बनूंगी, तू मेरी पहचान। जान मेरी जान, ओ मेरी जान, मेरी जान।
इस दुनिया की नजरों से हमको दूर निकलना है,
लेकिन तुझको याद रहे, हाथ पकड़ कर चलना है।
इस दुनिया की नजरों से हमको दूर निकलना है,
लेकिन तुझको याद रहे, हाथ पकड़ कर चलना है।
यहाँ तलक तो ठीक था आगे रास्ता है अनजान। जान ओ मेरी जान,
जान मैं तेरी जान, तेरी जान।
मेरे सीने में तेरा दिल धड़के, तेरे सीने में मेरा दिल, मेरे सीने में तेरा दिल धड़के, तेरे सीने में मेरा दिल। अलग अलग अब जीना है मुश्किल, मरना है आसान। जान ओ मेरी जान,
जान मैं तेरी जान, तेरी जान।
छुप छुप के मिलने से, लेकिन छुप छुप के मिलने से मिलने का मजा तो आएगा। लेकिन छुप छुप के मिलने से मिलने का मजा तो आएगा।
हम लाख छुपाए प्यार मगर दुनिया को पता चल जाएगा।
लेकिन छुप छुप के मिलने से मिलने का मजा तो आएगा। लेकिन छुप छुप के मिलने से मिलने का मजा तो आएगा।
हम लाख छुपाए प्यार मगर
प्यार हमारा रब जाने, ये प्यार हमारा रब जाने, जाने क्या रंग लाएगा।
लेकिन छुप छुप के मिलने से, लेकिन छुप छुप के मिलने से मिलने का मजा तो आएगा। लेकिन छुप छुप के मिलने से मिलने का मजा तो आएगा।
हम लाख छुपाए प्यार मगर मस्त हवा महकी ये फिजा, आंखों में नशा सा छाता है। एक रंग खुशी का आता है, एक रंग खुशी का जाता है।
ये मीठा मीठा दर्द मुझे, ये मीठा मीठा दर्द मुझे दिन रात यूं ही तड़पाएगा।
लेकिन छुप छुप के मिलने से, लेकिन छुप छुप के मिलने से मिलने का मजा तो आएगा। लेकिन छुप छुप के मिलने से मिलने का मजा तो आएगा।
हम लाख छुपाए प्यार मगर
इन बाहों के घेरे में आंखें बंद करके सो जाओ।
कल क्या होगा ये भूल के तुम मीठे सपनों में खो जाओ।
मैं रखवाला इस तन मन का, मैं रखवाला इस तन मन का, जो होगा देखा जाएगा।
लेकिन छुप छुप के मिलने से, लेकिन छुप छुप के मिलने से मिलने का मजा तो आएगा। लेकिन छुप छुप के मिलने से मिलने का मजा तो आएगा।
हम लाख छुपाए प्यार मगर दुनिया को पता चल जाएगा।
लेकिन छुप छुप के मिलने से
मिलने का मजा तो आएगा।
लेकिन छुप छुप के मिलने से
मिलने का मजा तो आएगा। रात तड़पता हूँ मिलने को तरसता हूँ, दिन रात तड़पता हूँ मिलने को तरसता हूँ।
बोले मेरा कंगना तेरे बिन सजना नींद नहीं आती। बोले मेरा कंगना तेरे बिन सजना नींद नहीं आती। होके जुदा मुझसे तुझे क्या चैन आता है।
दिन रात तड़पता हूँ मिलने को तरसता हूँ, दिन रात तड़पता हूँ मिलने को तरसता हूँ। सपनों की रानी बनी,
तुझसे मिली मैं दीवानी बनी।
तू मेरे सपनों की रानी बनी।
आए सनम प्यार करने के दिन,
हाँ पलकों तले जीने मरने के दिन। की रस्में दुनिया की कसमें तोड़ के आ जाना, दुनिया की रस्में दुनिया की कसमें तोड़ के आ जाना। क्या दूर जाके दिल तेरा मुझे भूल जाता है।
तेरी याद सताती है मुझे पास बुलाती है। तेरी याद सताती है मुझे पास बुलाती है।
चेहरे से अब आँख हटती नहीं,
तेरे बिना रात कटती नहीं।
चेहरे से से अब आंख हटती नहीं,
तेरे बिना रात कटती नहीं।
कोई भी जाने न हालत मेरी,
पागल बना देगी चाहत तेरी।
इस बेकरारी में आए मजा,
धक धक धड़के जिया मोर तड़पे दर्द बढ़ा जाए। धक धक धड़के जिया मोर तड़पे दर्द बढ़ा जाए। ये प्यार क्या तुझको भी रातों को जगाता है।
बेताब सा रहता हूँ, हर दर्द में सहता हूँ। बेताब सा रहता हूँ, हर दर्द में सहता हूँ।
बोले मेरे कंगना तेरे बिन सजना नींद नहीं आती। बोले मेरे कंगना तेरे बिन सजना नींद नहीं आती। होके जुदा मुझसे तुझे क्या चैन आता है।
दिन रात तड़पता हूँ, मिलने को तरसता हूँ। दिन रात तड़पता हूँ, मिलने को तरसता हूँ।
घूंघट की आड़ से दिलबर का दीदार अधूरा रहता है। घूंघट की आड़ से दिलबर का दीदार अधूरा रहता है। जब तक ना पड़े आशिक की नजर, जब तक ना पड़े आशिक की नजर, सिंगार अधूरा रहता है। घूंघट की आड़ से दिलबर का,
घूंघट की आड़ से दिलबर का दीदार अधूरा रहता है। जब तक ना मिले नजरों से नजर, जब तक ना मिले नजरों से नजर, इकरार अधूरा रहता है। घूंघट की आड़ से दिलबर का,
दिलबर का, दिलबर का, दिलबर का।
दिलबर का, दिलबर का, दिलबर का। गोरे मुखड़े से घुंघटा हटाने दे,
घर अपने मिलन की तो आने दे।
मेरे दिल पे नहीं मेरा काबू है।
कुछ नहीं ये तो चाहत का जादू है।
बढ़ती ही जाती है सनम प्यार की ये बेखुदी हो।
दो प्रेमियों के ना मिलने से संसार अधूरा रहता है। जब तक ना पड़े आशिक की नजर, जब तक ना पड़े आशिक की नजर, सिंगार अधूरा रहता है घूंघट की आड़ से दिलबर का।
दिलबर का दिलबर का दिलबर का,
हाँ, दिलबर का दिलबर का दिलबर का।
मोहब्बत में मिलना जरूरी है,
पास आने का अच्छा बहाना है।
क्या करूं मैं कि मौसम दीवाना है।
दिल मेरा धड़काने लगी अब तो ये दीवानगी हो,
बिना किसी यार के जाने जा ये प्यार अधूरा रहता है। जब तक ना मिले नजरों से नजर, जब तक ना मिले नजरों से नजर, इकरार अधूरा रहता है घूंघट की आड़ से दिलबर का।
घूंघट की आड़ से दिलबर का दीदार अधूरा रहता है, जब तक ना पड़े आशिक की नजर, सिंगार अधूरा रहता है घूंघट की आड़ से दिलबर का।
दिलबर का दिलबर का दिलबर का,
दिलबर का दिलबर का दिलबर का।
हाँ दिलबर का दिलबर का दिलबर का,
हाँ, दिलबर का दिलबर का दिलबर का।
दिलबर का दिलबर का दिलबर का,
दिलबर का दिलबर का दिलबर का।
हाँ दिलबर का दिलबर का दिलबर का।
दिलबर का दिलबर का दिलबर का। तेरे प्यार में मैं मर जावां, तेरे नाम ये दिल कर जावां, वो तेरे प्यार में मैं मर जावां, तेरे नाम ये दिल कर जावां। हमें ना भुलाना साजन, हमें ना भुलाना, दूर नहीं जाना हमसे, दूर नहीं जाना। वादा किया तो वादा करके निभाना, हमें ना भुलाना साजन, हमें ना भुलाना।
तेरे प्यार में मैं मर जावां, तेरे नाम ये दिल कर जावां, ओ तेरे प्यार में मैं मर जावां, तेरे नाम ये दिल कर जावां। हमें ना भुलाना सजनी, हमें ना भुलाना, दूर नहीं जाना हमसे, दूर नहीं जाना। वादा किया तो वादा करके निभाना, हमें ना भुलाना सजनी, हमें ना भुलाना। अपना भी नसीबा क्या खूब मिला है, सपनों से से भी सुंदर महबूब मिला है। तेरा ख्वाब तेरी चाहत मेरी जिंदगानी, आंखों से दूर मेरे दिल भर न जाना।
तेरे प्यार में मैं मर जावा, तेरे नाम ये दिल कर जावा। हमें ना भुलाना साजन, हमें ना भुलाना। दूर नहीं जाना हमसे, दूर नहीं जाना।
ओ वादा किया तो वादा करके निभाना, हमें ना भुलाना सजनी, हमें ना भुलाना।
बन जाऊं दुल्हन मैं, तू मेरा सजन हो। मांगू ये दुआएं, जल्दी से मिलन हो। सही जाए अब ना मुझसे सनम ये जुदाई। आओ बारात लेके छोड़ो तड़पाना।
तेरे प्यार में मैं मर जावा, तेरे नाम ये दिल कर जावा। हमें ना भुलाना सजनी, हमें ना भुलाना। दूर नहीं जाना हमसे, दूर नहीं जाना।
वादा किया तो वादा करके निभाना। हमें न भुलाना साजन, हमें न भुलाना।
Uh, as I've told you that the system is Ugandan. It's a fintech company. We are doing in finance and technology, and it was registered in Uganda, but also registered now in Kenya under the names of Digital Ad Solution K Limited. And we launched it in Uganda on the 4th of April 2021. Here in Kenya, we registered it in 2022. But we are looking at impacting the advertisement sector, because advertisement is a big sector and every company which is in business is looking at advertisement. I hope that is right. Martin Musinguzi is the CEO and the founder of Digital Adverts, and I am working as the chief trainer of the company. Leonardo Odiambo is the country director. Now, this is a Kenyan and is the one running operations here in Kenya, Nairobi, and the whole of Kenya. Enoch is our chief trainer here in Kenya. So these two people, the one you're seeing, Leonardo Odiambo and Enoch, they are already here in Kenya. You can talk to them later at our offices. Digital Adverts Limited, as I've told you that we are looking into the advertisement sector. You can see businesses advertise to ensure maximum sales in the marketplace. So when you look at companies like Safaricom, Lotto Kenya, Coca-Cola, East African breweries, they are all running adverts and they are spending billions of money to run adverts. And in 2017, if you look at the statistics, they spent over 108 billion Kenyan shilling just to advertise. That is a report from the Kenya Media Landscape. And they spent all this money on radios, on TVs, billboards, gazette, magazines, etc. That's where they are spending this amount of money. And also on digital platforms like YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, and others. But my sister will find out that once these companies are spending this amount of money, we are the consumers of these products. We are the consumers of the adverts. When they are advertising, it is us who are watching these adverts on TV, on radio, on our phones. But we earn nothing. We earn zero. So this money goes direct from the companies which are advertising straight to the owners of these media houses. So yet we are the consumers of these adverts. So right now we decided to change, and we see how can we share this piece of cake? How can you also, Case, share this amount of money, and some of this money is channeled into your pocket? It may not be too much money, but at least some money should come into your pocket. So we decided to go into business, and we had to register the company here in Kenya. Already in Uganda it's registered, but also we came to Kenya and we registered the company to be legal. And also we have a trading license, and also we have an administrative office at Moi Avenue, Bazaar Plaza, 8th floor, suite 0807. So after that, we developed an application because we have a website, but today, because of the smartphone, many people are using applications. So we created an application, and we released this application on the 7th of July 2021, last year. And so far in Uganda, over 10,000 people have downloaded this application. And if Ugandans can do this, then Kenyans can do this 3 times. So I believe the moment you guys in Kenya understand about this application, what it does, many of you are going to download this application and shall be on your phone because of what I'm going to show you, the benefits of the application. You can find it at Google Play Store and App Store for people who have iPhones. So you can download the application and you have it on your phone. You understand? So it is what they call Digital Adverts Limited. When you are searching this application, you put in Digital Adverts Limited is LTD. That is on Google Play Store and also on Google Play Store and also on App Store. The difference or the uniqueness of this application when you're watching adverts there, we are telling you that it is the only application that pays subscribers for viewing adverts. Grace, you're most welcome. Thank you for joining in. We've been waiting for you, and thank you for tuning in. You're most welcome, Grace, but you need to connect your audio. We can't hear you. I think you cannot hear us. Let us wait for her. She will connect her audio and she finds us along the way. Okay. All right, let me continue. She will find us as she work out her issues. The company or the application has got 5. Grace, you're welcome. Thank you for joining us. You've started. Your phone is just starting, so keep following. I'll handle what the few slides you have not found along the way. So this application, as I've told you, it's called Digital Adverts Limited. It has 5 major products on the application. So once you download this application, or once you go on our website, you can access 5 benefits. And among the benefits are adverts, we profile, we do survey, we do pay bills, and also e-commerce. Now, I'll go one by one. In Uganda already, this application is operating almost 90% because yesterday we launched our last product out of the 5. But in Kenya, right now as we speak, we only have 1 product operating in Kenya. The second product, we shall be launching it in September. And what will be the second product in September? It will be the adverts. September 3rd, we shall be opening our portal for advertisement. So every company can bring their adverts on our application and they put it there. As you can see, that companies upload on the app their advert at 8 Kenyan shilling, only 8. If it's a video, if it's a flyer or a photo, they pay only 4 shilling, Kenyan shilling per person who is going to view. So we count how many people are going to view your advert. For example, Safaricom brings here their advert. We count how many people in Kenya are going to be watching this advert using our application. So Safaricom goes ahead and pays 8 shilling if it's a video advert per person who is going to be viewing this advert on our application. If it's an image, they're going to pay 4 shilling per person who is going to watch this advert on our application. So as Digital Advert, what we do after receiving that money, we are going to pay every person who views that advert, who watches that advert. The moment you log into your account and you watch this advert of Safaricom or for Viasasa and you see their advert, or Lotto Kenya and you see their advert, your account will be paid money. Already this is happening in Uganda. and in September, it will be starting to operate in Kenya. Now, why would companies pay us to advertise with our application? These are the areas or the few key points why our advert is going to replace many companies which are been advertising like TVs, billboards, newspapers, etc. One, people move with their smartphones everywhere. They move with their mobile phones. You move with your mobile phone in the taxi, in the car, at home, at office, everywhere. But we don't move with our TVs. We don't move with billboards. We don't move with gazette everywhere we go, but we move with our mobile phones. Meaning that if I'm going to run an advert on TV and on a mobile phone, I'll access you faster on the mobile than on TV and radio. I hope all we agree together with that. Number two, today people are going so much on the internet. I saw here in Kenya, most of the Kenyans are no longer paying TV. They just pay internet and they stream live on the internet. I've seen many here. So here, it means if you have your phone, you can stream wherever you are on your phone, and you can be able to watch these adverts because the application is on the phone. Number two, paid advert attract viewers. We all know that in the case of when you're running an advert on TV or on radio, people skip. When you're running an advert on YouTube and you watch an advert on YouTube, you skip. When you're running an advert on TV, people don't want to watch adverts. They just change channels, but because they are not paid. But here, because we are paying people for watching these adverts, no one is going to view. I know, Grace, you will not skip this advert. Madam Case, you will not skip this advert because it is paying you some money after watching it. So we are solving that problem of people running away from adverts. They are no longer running from adverts. Number three, we have auto buttons on the application that once an advertiser run an advert and you see this advert and you feel like you want to engage the advertiser, you just click on the button and you are in their inbox in WhatsApp, or you are calling them, or you are in their email. Then number four, we do target marketing. Because you may be selling products, but these products are for only women. It's a product which is good for women. So since we are paying per viewer, you're not going to pay for men. You say, I only need ladies, women, because my product is for women. So the system will select for you only female people to watch your advert. I will give an example also for politicians. A politician may stand for maybe, let me say the politician is an MP for Kasarani. But instead of going on a TV, which is national, and is wasting another 1 hour for people of Westland, of the people of Eldoret, you understand? Why don't they pay for only people in Kasarani, and only people in Kasarani are watching their program? So it is possible on our application. Number five, you only pay for the specific number of people you want to reach out to. I have seen many businesses which want to advertise, but they don't have the money to go on TV, to go on billboards, because not everyone can afford that amount of money. So on our application, what you do, you can say, I only need 100 people to see my products. I am going to advertise to only 100 people. And if it's an image advert, you will pay 4 shilling times 100 people. So Madam Case, you will give us 400 shilling to run your advert to 100 people. Then number 6, now this is the best of all. Number 6 is what is making our application unique and very different from all advertisement platforms. It's the ability to rewatch this advert later. Because all of us know that if a company runs an advert today, Grace, you're not going to buy today because they have advertised. Even if it's a car, even if it's a phone, even if it's a piece of land, real estate, you're not going to buy immediately after advertising. Because we don't buy when we see the advert. We buy when we are ready or having the money to buy and the need to buy that product which someone advertised and we saw. But many times after running an advert on Facebook, on YouTube, or on TV, and 5 months later comes, you need to buy that product, you cannot go and check on that TV and watch that advert again, maybe to pick the number, their address, to call them, because when they advertise, you had no interest. But on our application, when you see an advert today, and 3 months later, you get interest to buy the product you saw advertising 3 months ago, You just get the application and log in, and you search for that advert, you find it again, you rewatch it, and you contact the person who was advertising. This is giving more result for advertisers that they can keep their business in our application. Anytime we need to buy real estate, you can come back in the application and you contact the person selling real estate. Now, number 7, you upload this advert at your own pace, at your own time. That the moment Kenyans understand that we have an application which can market their products and businesses, everyone will be in their office, in their stalls, and they upload their adverts at their own pace. The way you see Facebook, it's done. So this application will be making money in Kenya, not only in Kenya, in Uganda, and the whole of Africa at large. So it means it's an opportunity to make money. Then number 8, the rates are so affordable. As I've told you, it's only 4 shilling and 8 shilling. That is the minimum amount of money. And the minimum number of views you can pay for is only 100. So our minimum payment is 400 shilling and 800 shilling for videos to run an advert. Meaning every company, every small scale business, even a startup can start running their advert using our application. So because of this, it's going to revolutionize the advertisement sector. The second product we have on our application, it's what we call profiling. We can profile companies. For example, we all know what they call a CV of a person. If you want to employ someone, you ask for their curriculum vitae, their CV, and they bring their CV. They tell you their names, their date of birth, their educational qualifications, their experience, such that you can say, okay, this person qualifies to take my job. So the same goes to companies. Companies have that we call profiles. You look at their CEO, their vision, their mission statement, how long they have stayed in business, what work they have done, testimonials, where are they located. So what we have done, we list companies in one portal. For example, you may say, I want a construction company. I'm going to build my house, but I need a company of engineers who are going to come and do for me the construction. So when you log into our application, you tap construction, and we list for you all the companies in Kenya which are doing construction with all their profiles. So you read one by one, and the one which have a suitable profile for you, you contact it and it gives you business. So this is profiling, and every company that profile with us, we keep it in our application for 1 whole year. So this is another good product, because an advert cannot run all that information I've mentioned. That information can be in the profile. Number 3, we have what we call the digital survey, that companies can come and conduct a survey. For example, I may be in Nairobi, but I want to conduct a survey in Nakuru. I don't have to move to Nakuru to find those people in Nakuru to conduct a survey by asking them questions in Nakuru. What am I going to do? I'm simply going to go on the application. I set up a questionnaire, and I say I only need people in Nakuru, and people in Nakuru, they will answer my questions. It means I'll get feedback from Nakuru, and I'll be saved the trouble of moving to Nakuru, transportation, and even interacting with people, because these days, even because of these pandemics like COVID, we don't need to go and interact with society. So people can answer these questions remotely in their areas. So what we do here, we charge every company that wants to conduct a survey 32 shilling per person who will answer the questions in Nakuru. So that is our product number 3. Product number 4 is the pay bills. Already this is happening in Kenya. We are using it in Kenya already, whereby on our application, you can pay bills like airtime, Safaricom, Airtel, you can pay electricity, you can pay your water bills, you can pay GoTV, you can pay DSTV. Very soon we shall add more other utilities which you can pay using our application. What are the advantages? The advantage is you can pay these utilities without transaction charges. We don't charge people taxes on transactions, like transaction taxes. Then on top of that, we give you 3% cashback. Every time you buy airtime using our application, we give you 3% cashback. If you pay water using our application, we give you 3% cashback. This is nice, this is good, and this is happening already in this country, Kenya, on using our e-money. You don't have to withdraw, you just buy directly from our application and you receive your services. Product number 5, which is our last product, is the digital e-commerce. Digital e-commerce, you can buy things directly from the factory. what we are doing, we are going to eliminate brokers in the chain of distribution. We come here in Kenya and we find a company which is producing maybe cement, and we tell them, give us your cement at factory price. We eliminate the brokers in the chain of distribution, because these brokers in the chain of distribution make the product very expensive for the final consumer, because they are middlemen like national distributor, regional distributor, wholesaler, agent, retailer, you understand, things like that. By the time we receive the product, it's expensive. So what we are going to do for us, we go to the factory which is producing, we make contact with them, they tell us, give us your product at wholesale price. So we're going to be like the only middleman between us, between you and the factory. So you'll get these products at almost factory price, and also you get 10% cash back after buying. You buy maybe a sack or a bag of cement from us, maybe, let me say, at 800 shilling. And guess what? We give you 10% cash back, which is 8 shilling back to your pocket. And now this is already, we have launched it now in Uganda, and we have also created what we call the open market. You just open a store on our application and you put your products which you want to sell. And guess what? People, you get customers, clients, they contact you, even you negotiate what you're selling online, the way you see Jumia and other digital platforms which do e-commerce. So these are our 5 major products on the application. Already in Uganda, we are 1 year already old in Uganda. In Kenya, we began in February this year, and it means we are still working out things around to see that the system is perfect. So how do you access this application? How do you find it? How do you get it? I send you a referral link and you register your account for free. Or you can just go on the website, and once you click on register, they will ask you for a sponsor. Sometimes it's optional, but because we want to reward people, we are giving this referral link for people who can share this application with as many people as they can. So once you download this, once you register using my username or my link, we shall tell you that activate this account. You activate by paying 3,200 Kenyan shilling once. Now, this is the money we pay to access our application and all the services which are going to be on the application. It's a paid application, so you can pay it and you use the application. Then, after doing that, what are the extra benefits apart from what I've been teaching you? One of the extra benefits is the ability to make money. How are you going to make money? An extra income. Every time you share this link of this application with any of your friends, you send it on WhatsApp, maybe on mail, and these people download the application and they register using your link and they activate. If they activate their accounts with 3,200, 40% of that money will come back to you as an appreciation for marketing our application, because we're using this format to market as a market and sales tool. So every person you share with this link, you'll make 1,280 Kenyan shilling on your first level. Now, the people you share with, if they also go ahead and they share with their friends, you'll be making 15% out of all the people who download this application on level 2. And you'll be making 15%, that is 480 Kenyan shilling, will come to you from every person who downloads this application on your level 2. On level 3, the people on level 2, if they share with people on level 3, you will make 5%. That is 160 Kenyan shilling on level 3. So we are giving back this money to the people such that they can go ahead and market our application, because we need as many people on the application as possible, because no company is going to give you adverts if you don't have people who are going to watch these adverts. So we are using this system to be able to market the application, but by rewarding the people who are going an extra mile to do what? To market this application. And on top of that, we are saying thank you to those people who are going an extra mile to do it in a better way than others. For example, I told you that on level 1, you receive 1,280 per person. If you have 10 people who have activated your account, it means you have made 12,800 shilling in referral commission. As a company, we give you a t-shirt just to say thank you. Then the 10 people on your level 1, if each goes ahead and bring 10, it means you have 100 people on level 2. Remember, on level 2, you are making 480 shilling. So it means you will be earning 48,000 Kenyan shilling on level 2, and we shall award you with a smartphone. Then on level 4, Level 3, and the people on level 2, which are 100, if each brings in 10, you will have 1,000 people on level 3. And remember, on level 3, you are earning how much? 160 shilling. It means you have made 160,000 Kenyan shilling on level 3. We shall give you a laptop. The good thing with this, there's no time frame to do this. You start today and you keep growing, and the moment you have the numbers, you get your rewards. Already in Uganda, it has happened. In the past 1 year, we have given people t-shirts, we have given people smartphones, as you see. Even yesterday, I was at Davana Hotel in where? Kayole, Davana Hotel at Spine Road. That's where I was yesterday, rewarding people in Kenya who have been able to bring 10 activations. I had like 15 people yesterday. I gave them the t-shirts, and I'm waiting to see those people who are going to be able to have the smartphone on level 2. Number 2, the moment adverts start in Kenya, that is September 3rd, the moment we open our application to run adverts, you can say, me, I'm not going to bring people download the application, but I'm going to bring businesses to advertise. I know a school, I know a hospital, I know a boutique, I know a supermarket who wants to advertise. You bring them to advertise. When they pay any amount of money to advertise, we shall pay you 13% of any amount of money they pay. In case they pay 400, that which is the minimum, still we shall pay you 52 Kenyan shilling. If they pay 4,000 to advertise, we shall give you 520. If they pay 40,000 to advertise with us, we shall give you 5,200. Now, this is the second way of making money. Bring businesses to advertise. And number 3, if the people you brought, you shared the link with from the first, second, and third level, if they go in the market and they bring adverts to advertise on our application, we shall pay you still a commission of 2% indirectly, because this time the people you brought are bringing adverts on the application. But for you, are not bringing adverts, we shall still pay you. We shall pay you 2% of every business they bring to the application. In case they bring a business of 400, we shall give you 8 shilling. If they bring a business of 4,000, we shall give you 80. If they bring a business of 40,000, we shall give you 800. But remember, these are all the people on your first, second, and third generation. This will be good money in compounding if you have a good network under you. Okay, the terms and conditions, you must advertise one advert with us at least every month, which is of 400 shilling. You run an advert on your account to qualify for these indirect bonuses of earning 2%. Now, these people in your team and yourself, every time you bring an advert or a survey or a profile worth 400 Kenyan shilling, we shall give you 1 point. We call it 1 sales point. So when we give you this point and you collect 10,000 points, you and your team group points, you and your team, we shall reward you with a benefit bonus of $500. Then you and your team, what I mean by the team is from the level 1 up to level 3. If you and your team, if you raise 50,000 points of sales, then we shall give you 1,000 USD. Then you and your team, if you raise 100,000 points, we shall give you 5,000 USD as just a thank you. Then number 4, how do you make money? You may say, Zion, me, I'm not going to refer people. I'm not going to bring business to this application. How can I make money? You will make money through watching adverts. You may say, me, I'm not going to just wake up in the morning, I put on my phone, I put on my internet, and I just watch adverts, and you guys pay me. We shall pay you 30% of the 8 shilling for video, which the company paid to advertise, or we shall give you 1.2 shilling. That is the 30% of the 4 shilling the company paid for image adverts. It means every time you watch an advert of video, you earn 2.4 Kenyan shilling. If you watch an advert of an image, we give you 1.2 Kenyan shilling. It means if you look into the projection here, I say that video advert of 2.4, it is 30 seconds. It means if you watch 2 adverts in 1 minute, you make 4.8 Kenyan shilling per minute. So in case you watch continuously, it means in an hour of 60 minutes, you can make 60 shilling, 60 minutes times 4.8 Kenyan shilling. It means in 1 hour, you will be able to make 288 Kenyan shilling every hour. So how many hours do we have in a day? And how many hours can you keep watching these adverts? It will depend on you. So it's up to you to watch these adverts and make money. So you can watch for 1 hour, 2 hours, 3 hours, 10 hours, depending on your time and also the availability of adverts on the application. The way you look at Google and YouTube, if you go on YouTube, you cannot watch all the adverts on YouTube in one day and you finish them. Sometimes I just wonder, and I said, what if YouTube was paying us some little money by watching these adverts? People will not be starving because people are always skipping these adverts every day. But every time they are skipping, Larry Page, the owner of YouTube, is making money. When they are on Facebook and they are scrolling, every time they see sponsored, Mark Zuckerberg is making money. No wonder those two guys, they are in the top 10 richest men on planet Earth because of adverts. So the adverts portal has money. Okay. Number next is the utility bills. You can pay any bill like electricity, water, and you make money. But also you can decide to pay for other people and say, I'm going to put up a place whereby I put a signpost and I tell people come and pay your bills here without transaction charges, and people come and buy from you. You can see on the extreme left on this slide, there is 26 April 2022. Someone bought Safaricom airtime of 200 shilling. And guess what? On that number of Safaricom, and he got 6 shilling cash back because it was 200. So you can pay for many people around airtime, and guess what? You are the one making the cash back. Then number 6 is the survey. You can answer these surveys in case any company is conducting a survey in your area. You answer the questions. After answering the question, we shall pay you 12.8 Kenyan shilling per survey you submit. And there is this opportunity, and this is big. Madam Grace and Madam Kezia, I want you to look into this because now this is where Crazy Money is going to be, becoming our regional agent. We are having regions in Kenya. For example, here in Nairobi, we divided Nairobi into something like 7. We have Nairobi Westlands, we have Nairobi Kasarani, we have Nairobi Njiru, okay, we have Nairobi Dagoret, Langata. So these areas, we separate them, and each region, we gave one agent. Then outside Nairobi, like Kisumu, we have only one agent for Kisumu, one agent for Nakuru, you understand? So we have other agent regions which are still vacant, which have no agents. Now, if you are our agent, how do you make money? This is how you make money. Number 1, every person who activates his application in your region, whether in your network or not in your network, but they are in your region, they are in Nakuru, and you are the agent of Nakuru, you will be making 160 Kenyan shilling for every activation in that area. So how many people do we have in Nakuru? Multiply them by 160. That's the money that will be coming on your account as an agent. Number 2, every time these people in Nakuru, they are watching adverts, every time they watch an advert, you will earn 5% of the money paid by the company to run an advert. So every person in Nakuru who watches will be making money for you because you are the agent. Number 3, if they conduct a survey, e-commerce, they buy things online, you will still be making money, 3%. If they advertise, the people in your region, if they're running adverts and they're using codes, you'll be making 3% money into your account. So how do you become an agent? It's very simple. You're going to buy 10 activation codes. Remember, each activation code is 3,200. So you're going to buy 10 of them. That is 32 in bulk. Once you buy those codes, automatically you will qualify to become our agent. And you choose any region which is still vacant and work with our country director, and you sign the contract papers and you become our agent. In other words, becoming an agent is free. You just buy these codes, and these codes you can sell them back to people you are recruiting. They give you 3,200. You give them one code to activate their accounts. It means that by the time you finish the 10 codes, you've covered back your money, which is 32,000, and also you have 40% commission out of this. So you become our agent. Now we call this phase 1. In Uganda, we are on phase 2. On phase 1, that's how you join to become our agent. You pay 32,000, we give you 10 activation codes. But if you're not active, if you're not working in that region, we call back our agentship, okay? We cancel you. And after canceling you, We call another person who is ready to take over the agentship in phase 2. Now, in phase 2, the person still will pay 32,000, but we don't give them activation codes. And guess what? That money is non-refundable in phase 2. So in Kenya, we are still on phase 1. If you're going to become an agent, join in phase 1, whereby you can get these 10 codes and you can use them to make back your money. Now, how do you withdraw? The issue of withdrawing, you withdraw through M-Pesa. M-Pesa, the moment you have made money on the application, you withdraw through M-Pesa. Already in Kenya, and M-Pesa is working, and people are able to withdraw their money. You can use bank withdraw. This bank withdraw is applicable in Uganda. In Kenya, not yet, but we're going to have it also in Kenya. You can do peer-to-peer. You send it to your friends, and they give you cash. That is member to member. You can also use the money on the application to transact. So, why am I in Kenya right now? The reason why I'm in Kenya, there are 2 reasons. Number 1 is this, becoming a founding member. We are looking for founding members. We all know that businesses benefit mostly the people who join it first, and benefits most the owners of the business. So we are looking for 100,000 members to become our founding members, to become the founders, the pioneers of this application in Africa. And guess what? Every country, we give it a chance to get some founding members on board. In Uganda, we gave it and we closed it in December. So right now in Uganda, there are no founding members in Uganda anymore. The people who lost it in Uganda, they have lost it. So right now we are for Kenya. Kenya, we ran this campaign of founding members from March. It had to close yesterday. But what are the benefits? What are the benefits of a founding member? Benefit number 1, a founding member will have what we call lifetime membership. Lifetime membership, that is a founding member. They will not pay monthly activation every month, because our application, as I've told you, when you activate it with 3,200, the people who will join it in the future, that's about 2 years from now, they will be paying subscription every month, 3,200. But when you're a founding member, for you, you pay once, you will never pay again. Then number 2, remember on the referral commission, we gave you 1,200 on level 1. We gave you 480 on level 2. We gave you 160 on level 3. That's where we ended. But if you're a founding member, you will go up to level 4. Even on level 4, you will earn 64 shillings from every activation that is done on your level 4. Then the third thing, every time the people in your network, level 1, level 2, level 3, level 4, whenever they are watching adverts, you will be making money when they are watching adverts, like an agent. But this time you are earning money on the people in your team. Okay, the people in your team, whenever they watch adverts, you will be earning 3%. If you are an agent, and these people, you are an agent, but they are in your region still, you will be earning 3% plus 5%. It means you will be earning 8% from every person in your region who is watching an advert. So this is a better advantage if you are an agent and at the same time you are a founding member. Then that is number 4, you will be earning from every bill they pay. When they buy airtime, you make money. When they pay water, you make money. When they pay TV, you make money. You'll be making 0.4% from every bill they pay. Imagine people wake up in the morning to buy airtime. They wake up in the morning to pay their electricity. They wake up in the morning to pay their water. You'll be making money in your account. Then lastly, you'll be earning 1% from every company that profiles in your team from level 1 up to level 4. Now that is being a founding member. Now, if you miss this opportunity of becoming a founding member, now it means you miss all these benefits. You miss referral commission on level 4 and level 5. You miss commission when your people are watching adverts. You miss utility bill cashback from your team. You miss also cashback from company profiling from your team. Now, I normally tell people that even if you are busy right now and you're not ready to do this business right now, just buy this account of founding member and keep it, because these benefits, they are not worth losing. You just create your account and you keep it as a founding member account. Anytime you are ready to use it next year, you'll be able to come and use it because this chance is passing. Now, this founding member, we were closing it yesterday at Davana because we began it on 17th of March. We were ending it on the 2nd of July yesterday. But people were requesting and say, Coach, we are just new. We haven't seen this enough. You know, some of us, we have just seen this business today. We haven't told our friends, give us more time, give us grace period. So we agreed and we extended this chance of founding member from today, 3rd of July, up to 3rd of September. We are giving more 60 days for people to become founding members in Kenya. The moment these days are over, we shall close for Kenya and we go for Tanzania. We go one country at a time. So we are looking at 60 days from now to become founding members. How do you become a founding member? You just register your account in this period and activate it with 3,200. The moment you activate, you are automatically a founding member. In this very period, we launched what we call the VIP founding members. You can become our VIP. We have founding members, but also we have VIP founding members. How do you become a VIP founding member? You recruit 10 people to become founding members in this period of 60 days, only 10 people. And once you bring 10 people on board, you automatically become a VIP founding member. I usually tell people like you now that if you buy 10 codes for becoming an agent, you can become an agent using 10 codes. You become a founding member using the same 10 codes. Also, you become a VIP using the 10 codes. So you can hit 3 birds with the same button just by paying 10 codes. You register these people under you, all of them, the 10 people, you become a VIP, you become an agent, and also you are a founding member if you want it. What are the benefits of a founding member? A founding member enjoys all the founding member, a VIP founding member enjoys all the benefits of a founding member. Remember, a founding member earns up to level 4. But now, if you are a VIP, you go an extra mile up to level 5. You earn referral commission on level 5, 32 shilling from level 5. You are paid from every person who watches adverts on level 5. You are paid on every utility bill paid, even on level 5, even profile on level 5. And this time you earn even 1% from every e-commerce. Now, a founding member does not earn on e-commerce, buying things online. A founding member does not earn, but a VIP founding member will be earning 1% from every e-commerce done. Imagine a person is buying a truck of cement, okay, from a cement company, a VIP, and this person is in your team. You will be earning 1% of all that amount they are paying. And once you are a VIP with less than 20 activation, like we shall give you a T-shirt. But if you have more than 20 people, we shall give you a VIP shirt just as a reward and recognition. So, ladies and gentlemen, there are no gentlemen here. I have only ladies, Kezia and Grace. Now, the moment you finish that, that is our business. And here is my simple story. Then after that, you can ask me questions. Personally, I joined this business in the lockdown last year on the 2nd of June, 2021. That's when I registered my account and I looked for the money, the 3,200, and I paid on the 6th of June, and I got the application. And they told me to bring people. In my 2 weeks, I referred people, I shared my link, and 25 people registered, but they were not activating. And the system was telling me, you have 32,000 Kenyan shilling, but it's potential earning because the people have not activated. You can see besides 25, there is 0 active. So they had not activated. So they were telling me it's potential earning. It will become real earning if they activate. So I thank God on the 14th of June, the first person activated, and I got my 40,000 Ghana money. That's about 1,280 Kenyan shilling on the 14th of June, 2021. The first thing I did, I bought airtime. I said, let me buy airtime and see, does this thing work really? Can I buy airtime from there, e-money? Because there is no scam that cannot do that, that can do that. So I said, let me buy airtime. I bought airtime, and immediately my airtime was topped up on my phone, and they gave me cash back. The second thing I did, I made a withdraw. Let me work a withdraw and see on Airtel Money, which you can use as the M-Pesa here. I withdrew money instant on the 14th, and guess what? The money was deposited on my account that very day, and it was instant. I said, now this is beautiful. I bought a token of power electricity. We call it Yaka in Uganda. I bought it, and guess what? They gave me cash back, and they gave me a token. So I knew that this business works, and I kept on referring people because it's the only product we had. We only had pay bills. Adverts were not there. So pay bills and referral commission. So I referred people, and in my first month, I made 960,000 Ugandan money. That's about 30,000 Kenyan shilling. That's the money I made in my first month from the capital of 3,000. The second month, that was from July 6th up to 6th of August. I made 52,000 Kenyan shilling. That is 1.6 million Ugandan money. That was my second month. But guys, remember, I had paid only 3,200 to download this application and to join this application. So in 2 months, I made over 80,000 Kenyan shilling in just 2 months from this business. And as I've told you that if you bring 10 people, they give you a t-shirt. I got my t-shirt because I had 26 people on my first generation. And they told you that, I told you that if you have 100 activations on level 2, we give you a smartphone. I had 131 and I got my smartphone. And guess what? In 8 months, the business paid me 11.3 Kenyan money, Ugandan money. That is about 361,000 Kenyan shilling. That was in the 8 months. But remember, from a capital of 3,200, my team grew up to the level 5. Look at these numbers, ladies. You see, I told you that if you are not a founding member, you earn up to 3 levels. So on first level, I have 89 people. Second level, I have 828. Third level, I have 2,938. That is third level. Now, because I'm a founding member, there's money I'm making on level 4 with 3,627 people on level 4. It means if I'm not a founding member, I don't earn a coin on those people on level 4. Now, I am a VIP. Now, because I'm a VIP founding member, I am earning also on level 5. Look at how many people are on level 5. On level 5, there are 3,298 people. It means that if you miss out to become a founding member, if you miss out to become a VIP, it means you lose money on level 4 and level 5. I watched my first advert in 1st January. It means in 6 months when I was in business, we had no adverts in Uganda, the way we don't have them in Kenya right now. For us, we took 6 months to watch these adverts. I watched my first advert in January. For you guys, you're going to watch your first advert in September, just 6 days from now. So you are lucky than us. So I have made money. These are some of the companies which are running adverts in Uganda. You can see all these. They're running adverts in Uganda, and these are Ugandan businesses. Ugandan businesses, even here in Kenya, we shall be running Kenyan businesses, which makes sense in advertisement that when they run their advert in Kenya, you are able to buy from Kenya. Now, this is amazing because I'm a founding member and a VIP. I earn commission from every person who watches in my team. You can see from level 3, level 4, level 5, level 2, level 1, even myself. They watch adverts and I make money. I am also an agent. I've made money as an agent, about 33,000 Kenyan shilling because just I'm an agent. It means the money I invested is already back and now I'm waiting for profits. Now this is my annual testimony. The whole year from 6 June 2021 up to 6 June 2022, I have made over 463,000 Kenyan shilling, almost 500,000 Kenyan shilling. From how much capital? From only 3,200 shilling. So that is the business. And those are my secret tips: understanding the opportunity, taking blind action, improving the system, taking leadership role, and revisioning. So God bless you. That is what I had for you, Kezia. That's what I had for you, Grace. Now it's time for answering question. If you have any question, please ask, and I will be glad to answer your question. Madam Grace, Madam Kezia, are you there?
Yeah, been listening.
Okay, now, do you have any question from what I've presented? Does it make sense?
Yeah, it makes a lot of sense.
Okay. Any question?
Let me see. I think you've explained well, so I don't think there's a question right now.
Okay. Oh, thank you so much. And I'm going to share this PDF with you. And also I send a referral link. You register your account. Anytime you feel like you are ready to activate, you activate. How do you activate? You just put money on M-Pesa 3,200, and that money is chopped directly from M-Pesa and your account is activated. Or you can come at our offices here in Nairobi at Bazaar Plaza. You find the people there and they help you on the activation. So I'm going to send you share my link with you, and also I'm going to share the PDF. This PDF I've explained with you.
Okay.
Madam Grace, do you have any question, Madam?
Not for now.
But for now, has everything been clear, I think?
Yeah, we understood everything.
Fantastic. I'm going to share the PDF also with you, and also I'm going to share my referral link with you. You just tap on it and you create your account, and we see what we can do. If you're ready to activate, you activate it with only 3,200. Take advantage of this founding member position before the 3rd of September this year. And if you feel like you want to set up other meetings, Zoom with other people, you can create a Zoom meeting. You put other people, and I'll be glad to present to them the same opportunity I've presented to you right now. Thank you so much. We shall have Zoom meetings every Thursday as in Nairobi, Kenya. Every Thursday, I'll be glad for you guys to join in. And also we have a WhatsApp group for Kenya. Once you register, we shall add you if you like in the groups. If you don't write groups, it's okay. You can stay out of the groups. God bless you. Thank you for being on.
Okay.
All right. Be blessed. Ciao. Tomorrow I will be in office until evening. If you feel like you want to pass by, you can pass by and we talk. If not, I'll be leaving in the evening tomorrow back to Kampala. God bless you. Have a good evening.